Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Geraldine Galima. I live at Manila, Philippines. I have 5 kids. I am married. I am 150 centimeter. I am high school graduate. I have work experience of 2 years from Riyadh, Saudi. I am willing. My duty and responsibility are to, to take care of babies, kids, and elderly, cooking, cleaning, washing, and ironing. I am willing to take care of babies, kids, and elderly. If you hired mom and sir, I'm willing to take care of your babies. I am caring, loving, and responsibility. Thank you.